welcome back to my channel. My name is Fantasia, and please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you do not miss any video that will be uploaded. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a skin lightening routine. I'm going to be doing a skin lighting review. Yes, and it's not other cream, as you can see from the title. It is our Caro White. Yes, baby, Caro White. This is a popular cream. People use it, and it's, it's full. I've not opened it. It's quite new. I always use this cream. So I've been using this cream for so long. As you can see, it's quite new. I've not even taken anything out of it, so it's proper new. So it smells beautiful like carrots. Ooh. So yeah. So when I used to use Caro White, sorry, I used to use both the tube and the cup. Yes, because as you should see, I like trying things. That's me. I just like using anything. So Caro White is a very beautiful cream. It's Caro White lotion formula rich in carotene and vitamin A and E in order to make your skin lighter, manageable, and satin, smooth and cool. Okay, so yeah, it says we should apply it twice a day on whole body after shower or bath. So that's how he used to use it. But when I used to use this cream, guys, I was not applying it twice a day. I was just using it once when I shower, and bam, I was getting the results. I was getting the result that I wanted, because people were asking, what cream are you using? What cream are you using? I was telling them, I'm using Caro White. Because I'm not kind of a person, I'm not going to hide my cream that I'm using. No, I'm not. So I grew up in this environment where my aunties, they used to use cream, no matter if it's whitening cream or lightening cream or whatever the case was, they using cream. Even if it's cocoa butter, they were using cream. So I grew up buying my cocoa butter. So I can't use anything else apart from cream. I don't care if it's cocoa butter, I don't care if it's Caro White, I don't care if it's Caro Light. I have to use cream, period. So so when I started using this cream, guys, oh my goodness, I remember the day I mixed this cream with the oil. Lord behold it, my dad actually took the cream away from me, because guys, I went white, but the only down part was I had dark knuckle, and I did not know how to deal with it. As a just teenager, I don't know what to do. Like, I was just using my cream. I did not know anything about dark knuckles, what to use and all. And I'm that kind of a person. The only thing I'm very good at is my lotions, my cream. I can shower and be patient and rub the cream on my body really nice. But when it comes to soap, I cannot use soap that much. So unless maybe I've used the cream and the cream did not work and I need to get certain result, then I can use that soap to like try and get me to that result that I want. But apart from that, it's very hard for me to use any soap. So I always just use this one, and I use Magna soap. If you guys want me to give reviews on that as well, I'll try and do that. But because, honey, as I said, I've got experiences with creams and lotions and stuff. Even if it's one bottle, I've used it, I'm telling you. So when I used to use this cream, everyone used to shout at my color, like, oh, what did you use? What did you use? What did you use? I did not experience stretch mark at all, because I have natural stretch mark. So this is one thing people don't realize. I knew myself. I knew the stretch mark that I had already. So when I was using it, there was no big deal about my stretch mark being lighter. It was just making my stretch mark lighter. So I knew already that, because obviously my skin is going light, obviously my stretch mark is going to go light. So what I started using bowel oil in it. So I started buying bowel oil, and bowel oil, I found out it was kind of expensive. So I went to Primark one day and I find a bowel oil there, which some people say it's fake, but I did not mind, because I was like, it's £7 and I can deal with that. So I came and put the bowel oil in it, and that's how I used to use my cream at all time. And trust me, I saw improvement. I saw improvement. My straight mark were going dark instead of being lighter, and my skin was still giving me that glow. So that's what I did with it. So if I should advise anybody for me to use this one, I will tell you, if you are dark, really dark, and you want to go light, I would say yes. For a start, yes, use this. It has hydroquinone, but I would say use it, because at the end of the day, everybody needs somewhere to start from. You know, it says 2% of hydroquinone, which is not really bad. You know, which is not really bad, but some people say it's very dangerous for their skin. As I said, everybody's skin is different. I'm not a doctor. I'm just a person that have used things, and I want to share with you guys what I use and how it works for me. Try it. It might work for you. If you think it's not working for you, stop it, bro. Like, nobody's going to hold your hand. These creams are inexpensive. So don't say, I spend my money. No, they are inexpensive, or you can add things to it to make it what you want it to be. So I used it, and it was very good. The smell is good. Very nice smell. It has a carrot smell, which sometimes I, because of the type of creams that I've used, guys, I ended up not using perfume every day, unless when I'm going out or church, or I'm going to important places. I just normally shower and use my cream, and the smell is bomb. People ask me, "Oh, what cream did you rub?" And I'm like, Caro this, and they're like, the smell is really nice. Mine, the smell is not like that, because they got the fake one. This is the original one from Africa. What I do mostly is I get my creams from Africa. Sometimes I do sell them. Yes, I do sell them, but they are not many, so I cannot tell you I sell every time. But if you want it, just keep trying. Ask me. If I have it, I'll send it over to you wherever you are, because I do sell them sometimes on eBay, marketplace, and sometimes on Snapchat, Instagram. It just depends to when I have it and what's the amount that I have it for. But I always get them from Africa. From Africa, they are very good. There are fake ones there, but the good ones, I know where to get it in Africa, because I know a certain man that does it for like a wholesale price, and he does the original ones. He actually travel to these countries that make it and get it from there. So I know the good ones. So yeah, if you are fair already, and you are a person that does not have stretch mark, because I noticed that there are people that don't really have stretch mark, then yes, this cream is for you. If you want to go really super white, trust me, just add a little bit of your oil, or your some paste to it, and trust me, honey, they're going to be calling you white lady in the next minute. It will give you that look. And if you have any spot, because this used to give me remove all the spots from my body, because I used to not have any spots, guys. And people used to say, what do you use for your face? You don't have any spot, your face is really nice. It's because of the creams that I used to use. And these are the creams that I used to use. They never give me any spots. So whatever spot wants to come, sometimes when you see your period, it takes it away by the end of the week or something when I keep using it. So if you want to have a very effective result, lighter than me, do it twice a day. But I just do once a day, because I am not a dark person, I'm a light person, and I just feel like I need to keep that skin tone. And sometimes it go a little bit over my skin tone, which I don't have problem with, because I'm not going beyond beyond it. So I'm fine with it. So if you feel like this was helpful, or you want me to go into in-depth or how I mixed it, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll try and do that for you guys. As of today that I'm speaking to you, I have not been using this cream. If you guys want me to use it again, I'll use it. I have them because I want to use them anyway. So let me know if you want me to use it, tell you more about it, and I will do so. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, and also follow me on Facebook, like my Facebook page as well. I'll put the link around here on this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Yes, honey. So bye.